Are you about to invest in the next big breakthrough or fall victim to clever marketing? In this video, we take a hard look at ProZenith, now rebranded as Get Fitspresso, a supplement that claims to supercharge your productivity, boost mental clarity, and elevate performance to new heights. Sounds impressive, right? But once you look past the flashy promises and sleek packaging, things start to feel a bit off. Let's be clear, this product makes bold claims but offers very little real evidence to back them up. Their website throws around terms like FDA and GMA certified, but when you dig into it, those certifications are vague at best and misleading at worst. The FDA doesn't actually approve supplements the way these guys suggest. On top of that, their website structure is nearly identical to several known scam layouts, complete with copy-paste graphics and persuasive countdowns designed to rush your decision. Fake urgency is a classic tactic, and it's used here in full force. And what about real user feedback? That's where things get even murkier. The customer reviews are either absent, unusually polished, or so generic they raise eyebrows. There's a real lack of transparent testimonials or credible third-party opinions. No video reviews, no before and after cases, just suspiciously glowing text blurbs. Not to mention, when a brand keeps switching names and domains while pushing the same product, that alone is a red flag. ProZenith doesn't offer much transparency about its ingredients, manufacturing standards, or company background either, all details that matter when you're putting something into your body. I'm not here to claim it's a total scam, and I'm not denying that some people might feel a placebo lift from it. But when you stack up the inconsistencies, questionable marketing tactics, and lack of concrete evidence, it's hard to recommend this supplement with confidence. Whether it's a slick repackaging of hype or something with hidden potential, you deserve to know the full story before making any decisions.